So, you got an Elgato just like me, and you're noticing, hey, the screen looks a little bit less contrast or whatever. I don't really understand what's going on here. Why does my screen look worse? Here's how to fix that. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find where you put the Elgato capture thing on your OBS. Personally, I just named mine Elgato so it's easy to find. Then you want to click the little gear thing right here. And you're going to want to make sure that it's not on Game Capture HD, whatever, that one, right? You're going to want it to be on Elgato Game Capture HD, so you get the better GUI for it. And then you're going to want to go to Configure Video. And as you can see, this is sort of what I found when I opened it up. And it does say Xbox One. Don't know why. Switch it to PC. And then you see this expanded standard. It's really a lie. As you can see, expanded just removes some of the color in my opinion. I personally like standard better. You're going to want to keep that on. Allow 60 FPS obviously, but you're going to want to go to HD 1080p from HD 720, which it was set at default. And your screen's going to refresh multiple times while you're doing this. And then also you can change the brightness, the contrast, like the hue. You can do this, which is really cool. Personally, I like to keep the hue just that ever bit more on the blue side or whatever. Put the saturation up a little bit. The contrast can stay there, and the brightness is good at like 0 too, so it's easy. Your audio and all that, you can fiddle with that as you want. Anyway, I just figured I'd tell you guys how to fix the Elgato since mine came and I had no idea, and I was Googling a bunch of random shit, and it really made me panic. Because I thought that my Elgato was somehow being worse than my RX 580, which it's not, so that's good. But that's how you get the Elgato to go, and then you just hit done. You can hit OK, and then you have your Elgato working better, I guess. So that's gonna have to be the video for today. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how you could fix your Elgato. You might still see some pixely things, not really too sure about that, but you know, like, it happens, I guess. I'm not really a technical guy. I just fixed the problems I saw, so that's all the problems I saw. You might have some other problems, in which case best of luck finding out how to fix them. But other than that, I'm gonna have to say that's it, and hope you guys found this tutorial useful. Goodbye.